What's going on, everyone? It's a gorgeous day in Las Vegas today. It's a nice Saturday for riding. So I'm going to link up with Cody and his fiance Megan, also his girl Kirsten. She's never been riding before, so we're going to throw her on the back of my bike and go up to Red Rock and give her her first riding experience. So it should be fun. It's a nice day for it. And I don't know if you guys follow my Instagram, but if you do, you probably know I really fucked up my finger at work, like super bad. So it explains why I'm riding like a fancy man, pinky out. But yeah, dude, I fucked it up so bad yesterday on a Friday, man. What a way to start my weekend. I seriously like crushed the tip of my pinky. It's mangled. It kind of looks like a squished grape. That shit happens, dude. Life of a fabricator, I guess. But it should be alright. I mean, it'll probably look a little weird, but whatever. It'll just fit the rest of me. It happens though, man. I mean, unfortunate. I still got a finger, still have a fingertip. Just took a little bit of my nail and the skin with it, but fuck, that hurt so bad. It was like 2 hours before I was about to leave for work too, like damn. Yeah, it should be a fun day. It's pretty nice out. It's a little warm when you're sitting, but once you get moving on the bike, it's nice and cool. Kind of excited to get her riding for the first time. For years she didn't want to do it. We finally got her to say yes and get on the back of it. So I'm gonna keep her safe. It's fucking weird riding without gloves, man. It's like wearing shoes without socks. Yeah, this is actually the second time I've had workman's comp. About 4 years ago when I was still working automotive, working on cars, I got this finger stuck in a belt pulley and I almost lost my thumb in the same fucking hand. That was even worse, so man, my thumb was terrible. I got it stuck up in there and actually pulled the nail out of its root and like broke my bone, and basically my tip of my finger was hanging off, and it was fucking disgusting. So this isn't too bad. I mean, still not good. It hurts. But hey, you gotta make the best of it, you know? Cheerleaders, 5! Are you excited? He's like, hell no. Come on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna protect you. Get some air in there. Aren't you dying? God. Alright, I have a few rules, okay?
What?
I said I have a few rules. Okay, you're gonna hold on to me, right? If I pull on your arms or grab your arm, it means hold on tighter, okay? And then for the most part when we're riding, just kind of hold on to me like we're dancing. Don't try to like shift around, because that's gonna fuck me up, right? And as far as when we're rolling, don't try to like adjust so much, okay?
So if he leans this way, just lean with it.
Yeah, just, you're gonna hug me like we're dancing. That's it, alright? And just try not to adjust yourself so much. If you're going to, just make sure we're stopped and just kind of, right? And you're gonna want to like hold against the gas tank when we're stopping. I'll show you when we get up on there. She's scared. Come on. Yeah.
How do I get on?
Come on. Step there, and then swing your leg around me. Are you good? Are you good? On the pegs. Are you good? Are you comfy? Your butt crack? Alright, so you're just gonna hold on to me like that, right? If I do this, like squeeze, okay? Are you ready? We're going. Now you can brace yourself against the tank if you need to, okay? You're a fucking dick, dog. I'll get you. She's like, yeah, scary. Let's get going. It's fucking hot, bro. Ugh. Yeah, get out of my way, hottie. Ew, that dude is like flicking his boogers at me. Gross! Yeah, Megan, your ass is showing. She should try to connect to me.
Huh?
She should connect to me. No, she should. Hello?
Hello?
I got you. Did you see that guy in the Corvette? He was like picking his boogers and like flicking them. So gross. I was like, ow! So gross, dude.
No, I didn't see it.
Yeah, he was like, ew, dude.
Talking about the guy in the Corvette?
Well, yeah.
Jason okay?
Yeah, she's good.
Fucking sweating bullets.
Your ass crack should be breathing pretty well, though.
Yeah. I can't fix that.
No.
My ass crack really hanging out that bad?
No, not as bad as it can be.
My ass eats my underwear. I don't know.
Happens. Ah, nice and free. I'm gonna rev bomb these people. Hello?
Hello?
This is Juan Cortez calling.
I bet you this is on a mile.
Oh shit. Hello. Oh shit, shit. The hello. You alright? No. Open it. Get some air in there. You can unzip your jacket a little bit. Get some air. Oh shit. We out here, bitch. Red Rock, I'm inside of you right now. All up in that ass. Oh, I got a bug in my eye. No! I got a bug in my eye. Ow. Worth it.
Saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge.
Fucking hands numb. What?
Gravel.
I know.
Fucking everywhere.
You can get off.
I know, try.
Oh, okay. Here, just hold on to me. See, it's not that bad, right? Told you. Well, aren't you a sight for sore eyes or fingers? I'm taking this shit off though. Here, get it off.
Ow,
Good.
ow. My ear.
You okay? Well, that was a super fun ride, and she just did absolutely amazing for her first time being on the back of a bike. She's a natural. So thanks for coming along and watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.